The hub seal was this, well, it was probably on the trailer that Noah used when he was building the Ark. Anyway, it's long since obsolete, and the replacement part is this, so we're using some of those. But what I also found was that this lock washer, this has the key on the inside to engage in a slot in the stub axle to help stop any winding or unwinding. But you can see it's in pretty poor shape. Couldn't easily find one, so I thought, well, let's make one. I started off with a decent sort of a washer, and I put a dab of weld here. I thought I'd give that a try and file that to the correct shape. So I started by grinding my bit of weld flat both sides, and then it was out with the files. Okay, filing's finished, and I'm sure it's not the neatest filing job that's ever been done, but it fits. Put the grease cap on. Right.